Hey everyone, we're Phil and Deb, and we are DIY builders building our box truck. So today we're gonna start the process of unboxing our window and kind of some of the prep work. I think we'll probably actually install it tomorrow.
We're gonna be putting our window up at the top for our bunk window.
Let's get into it. Styrofoam, and then more styrofoam, and more styrofoam. So, thoroughly packaged, looks very nice, very secure. Even more styrofoam. So then I think these, are just
very nicely seated in these little grooves that the foam comes with. Nice.
So yeah, this is the AM Auto bunk window, universal bunk window. So we got it for the driver's side. They have two sizes, or at least two sizes that sell on Vanlife Outfitters, which is the site that we got it off of. So this is the smaller, it's like 30 3/4 by 9.5 inches. And it is a half slider with screen. So it's got a lock mechanism here that you can open when you want to slide it. That slides all the way open, so your hand can go all the way through, or the screen can be up